Assalamualaikum, hey viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Trends Hub. Hope you will be all right. So first of all, who are new at my channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share our videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you will be updated for our videos for notification. In this video, we are showing some beautiful Valentine card decoration ideas at home. These are some handmade Valentine cards that you can easily make at your home. These are totally useful and amazing ideas for you that you can easily do. And if you want some kinds of these kinds of die card decoration and you have no time to do at yourself, so you can also visit some online services that also provide these facilities. And these are totally useful, beautiful ideas, and these are even useful for kids activities. And I hope you like the video. So if you like the video, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel, like and share our videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you will be updated to our videos for notification. So stay tuned. Allah Hafiz, stay home, stay safe, and happy Valentine in advance.